Hey guys, Pink here with Pink's Garage. It's going to be a first video in a couple of weeks. Sorry it's been so long, but been busy. Work is on overtime right now, so we have not had a lot of time after work for me to do videos. Right now, I'm going to show this video. It's first car club race day that didn't get rained out of the year at Bremerton Raceways. It's only 8th mile, but you know, I was against it at first, but a lot of fun. It's the same thing. It's bracket racing, so it's all about being consistent. Unfortunately, I was not, and had a little problems with the cars on takeoff on the first elimination round, and I was quickly out of the races. So I only got 3 runs of the day, so there's only 3 runs to show. But we can watch these videos and enjoy the little racing. I've got a few different views, but none from outside because I didn't have anybody there to help me film for the day. So watch the races and enjoy. This will be the last video for me for about 3 weeks minimum. I've got to go out of town for work, so I will not have my car with me. I will be working in Michigan doing an install, so that takes about 2 weeks, and then after that I have a family thing I have to deal with for the next week, so that'll keep me from being able to do any videos. If I can come up with some stuff or find something in my travels that would be worthwhile of showing on the channel, I'll be sure to post it. But if not, this is going to be it for a little while. So enjoy the video. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below of what you thought about the video. So here it is. Okay, now my second run of the day, a little bit later. It's been at least 2 hours since the first run. It was a slow day, but fun. I was enjoying hanging out with my friends on the car club. And on this run, got a really good burnout, and the track had just been sprayed a couple of cars before me, so I got a slightly slower reaction time at 0.275. But my 60 foot was 1.87, so I did a 7.8 in the 8 at 89.74 miles an hour. A little bit closer than 90, but not quite 90 yet. So go ahead and watch it, and I will see you after this video. Okay, so now we're on to the third race of the day, which is the first of the elimination races. I did not win, I'll tell you that right now. Not sure what happened on takeoff. I had a great reaction time, but my car decided to bog down a little bit on launch, and I was doing the launch the same as I'd been all day. I was not using launch control. I was doing the feathering method and using just clutch and gas, and I had been doing great all day. I had turned off Advantrack, had held the button for 10 seconds. I think next time I'm just going to have to unhook the connector in the engine bay and see if that helps any at all to stop it from doing what it keeps doing. You can see on the first part of the video here when I show it with all the gauges, you can see what happens. So on this one, I had a reaction time of 060, so great reaction time, but my 60 foot dropped back down to 2.1. And that is just way too slow. But I picked up speed trying to catch back up, and I went, balls to the wall, basically holding the gears as much as I could. I hit that 90 miles per hour. So on the 8th, I got a 90.09. So that's great for my car. And unfortunately, it was an 8.32 with a dial-in of 778. And that did not bring the win. That, in fact, got me a big loss. I lost by 0.35 seconds. And maybe I'll do better next time. Unfortunately, I will not make the next race in Pacific or the next race in Bremerton because I'm out of town. And so, yeah, I'll see you after this race and do a end cap for this whole thing. So that was the 3 races I got done today, and I enjoyed them. I had a blast. 8th mile racing, I was surprised, is almost as fun as quarter mile racing. It's the speeds aren't there, but you're still doing the same prep, same everything, trying to hit that same bracket racing, consistency. I'm looking to be a little bit more consistent on the next time I run out, and hopefully I will not get put out in the first elimination. But until then, keep those motors running, and I'll see you next time.